Top 20 Robustness and Generalization Interview Questions. Question 1. What does robustness in machine learning refer to? A. Ability to handle noisy or unseen data. B. Ability to process faster with lower memory. C. Ability to perform regression analysis. D. Ability to minimize model parameters. The correct answer is A. Ability to handle noisy or unseen data. Robust models can handle unexpected data patterns and still provide accurate predictions. Question 2. What is overfitting in machine learning? A. Model is too simple. B. Model learns noise and patterns in training data. C. Model works perfectly with validation data. D. Model lacks sufficient features. The correct answer is B. Model learns noise and patterns in training data. Overfitting occurs when a model captures noise and irrelevant patterns from the training data. Question 3. Which technique reduces overfitting in a machine learning model? A. Increasing training data. B. Reducing the model's parameters. C. Decreasing model complexity. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. All mentioned techniques reduce the chances of overfitting and improve generalization. Question 4. What is the purpose of cross-validation in model evaluation? A. To ensure the model runs faster. B. To improve model training time. C. To estimate the model's performance on unseen data. D. To reduce the size of training data. The correct answer is C. To estimate the model's performance on unseen data. Cross-validation helps assess how well a model generalizes to new, unseen data. Question 5. What does generalization mean in machine learning? A. Model's ability to work well on unseen data. B. Model's ability to memorize the training data. C. Model's ability to overfit. D. Model's ability to reduce computation time. The correct answer is A. Model's ability to work well on unseen data. Generalization ensures that the model performs well on data not seen during training. Question 6. How can the model's robustness be tested? A. By using cross-validation techniques. B. By using only one data split. C. By training on a small sample. D. By using complex models only. The correct answer is A. By using cross-validation techniques. Cross-validation helps check robustness by testing the model's performance across different datasets. Question 7. What is the role of regularization in machine learning? A. To decrease training time. B. To prevent overfitting by penalizing large weights. C. To optimize model accuracy. D. To increase model complexity. The correct answer is B. To prevent overfitting by penalizing large weights. Regularization reduces overfitting by adding a penalty term for large model weights. Question 8. Which of these is a method for improving model robustness? A. Data augmentation. B. Adding more hidden layers. C. Reducing the number of features. D. Ignoring validation data. The correct answer is A. Data augmentation. Data augmentation introduces new variations in the training set, increasing the model's robustness. Question 9. What is the impact of too many parameters in a model? A. Better model generalization. B. Improved model performance. C. Increased risk of overfitting. D. Faster convergence. The correct answer is C. Increased risk of overfitting. Excessive parameters lead to overfitting, where the model fits noise instead of patterns. Question 10. What is early stopping in the context of model training? A. Stopping after the first epoch. B. Stopping when performance on validation data stops improving. C. Stopping when training data is exhausted. D. Stopping after a fixed number of epochs. The correct answer is B. Stopping when performance on validation data stops improving. Early stopping halts training when the model's performance on validation data no longer improves. Question 11. Which method helps in improving model generalization? A. Use a larger and more diverse training dataset. B. Use a smaller dataset to avoid overfitting. C. Use only one type of model. D. Ignore validation accuracy. The correct answer is A. Use a larger and more diverse training dataset. Larger datasets with varied examples help models generalize better to unseen data. Question 12. What does the bias-variance trade-off refer to? A. Balancing the model's bias and variance for optimal performance. B. Minimizing model training time. C. Reducing the model's complexity. D. Increasing training data size. The correct answer is A. Balancing the model's bias and variance for optimal performance. Bias-variance trade-off ensures models are neither too simplistic nor too complex for generalization. Question 13. What is dropout in neural networks? A. Randomly setting a fraction of weights to 0. B. Decreasing the number of layers. C. Reducing the number of neurons. D. Increasing the size of the dataset. The correct answer is A. Randomly setting a fraction of weights to 0. Dropout prevents overfitting by randomly deactivating neurons during training, improving generalization. Question 14. What is the effect of high variance in a model? A. The model fits well on training data but performs poorly on new data. B. The model performs consistently across training and testing data. C. The model generalizes well to unseen data. D. The model has low bias. The correct answer is A. The model fits well on training data but performs poorly on new data. High variance leads to overfitting, where the model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Question 15. What does bagging aim to achieve in machine learning? A. Improve accuracy by training multiple models and averaging their predictions. B. Speed up model training. C. Increase model complexity. D. Decrease the number of features used. The correct answer is A. Improve accuracy by training multiple models and averaging their predictions. Bagging reduces variance and improves model robustness by combining predictions from multiple models. Question 16. Which technique helps prevent the vanishing gradient problem? A. Use ReLU activation function. B. Use sigmoid activation function. C. Use softmax activation function. D. Use tanh activation function. The correct answer is A. Use ReLU activation function. ReLU helps mitigate the vanishing gradient problem by providing stronger gradients during training. Question 17. What is the effect of dropout during training? A. It helps prevent overfitting by randomly deactivating neurons. B. It increases the complexity of the model. C. It decreases the training speed. D. It prevents underfitting. The correct answer is A. It helps prevent overfitting by randomly deactivating neurons. Dropout reduces overfitting by ensuring the model doesn't rely too heavily on any neuron. Question 18. What is the advantage of using ensemble methods? A. They combine predictions from multiple models for improved robustness. B. They reduce the number of parameters in the model. C. They increase the model's complexity. D. They train faster. The correct answer is A. They combine predictions from multiple models for improved robustness. Ensemble methods increase model robustness by aggregating predictions from diverse models. Question 19. Which of the following helps with model generalization? A. Using a complex model with too many features. B. Using regularization and cross-validation. C. Using only one model for predictions. D. Ignoring the validation dataset. The correct answer is B. Using regularization and cross-validation. Regularization and cross-validation improve model generalization by reducing overfitting and testing on unseen data. Question 20. Why is data augmentation important for training models? A. It generates new training data by transforming existing data. B. It reduces training time by simplifying data processing. C. It decreases model complexity. D. It improves model interpretability. The correct answer is A. It generates new training data by transforming existing data. Data augmentation helps models generalize better by increasing training data diversity.